sections, we explore the connection between air quality and the fuels we burn. Accordingly, we also need to introduce the names of several hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, meaning compounds that are composed entirely of hydrogen and carbon atoms. So hydrogen and carbon atoms. So it's very easy to identify hydrocarbons because when you look at them, let's say we have this CH4, or we have C2H6, C3H4H8. So you can tell that they're hydrocarbons because they're solely made of hydrogen and carbon atoms. When it comes to naming this, we name them a little bit differently. So we don't really use the same structure that we use for the other molecular compounds. We need to look at individual names for them. And for this, we're going to refer to table 2.3 in our book. In the hydrocarbons, we're going to focus solely in the number of atoms, of carbon atoms. So in the example number 1, when you look at the subscript next to the carbon, we can tell that it has only one carbon atom. Therefore, we're going to use the name methane. When we have 2 carbon atoms, we're going to use ethane. And for 3 carbon atoms, we're going to use propane. So this is mainly for hydrocarbons and the ones that we're really going to focus on. Depending on different structures, we can change the ending from "ane" to "ine" or "ine", but for the purposes of this video, we're only going to focus on the ending "ane". The suffix "ane" tells us something specific about the ratio of carbon atoms to hydrogen atoms in the molecule. In particular, having the general formula CxH2x plus 2, we can identify what the formula should be like. So if we have C3, we would have 2 times 3 plus 2 number of hydrogen atoms. In that case, the formula for this compound will be C3H6 plus 2 equal 8, so H8. When we go about naming this compound, we're going to find that it is, that's right, propane. Now, how is propane a fuel? Propane is the fuel that is normally used in the barbecues that you have at home. You go to the stores and then you buy the propane cylinders, and those are the ones they use. So this is the chemical formula for propane.